Alright folks, here it is, another Sunday. Tim here from High End Cheap Tech. And I know what you're thinking. What the hell is he going to talk about today? Well, today it's my Christmas wish list. Obviously you know that because you clicked on the link. But this is going to mostly be stuff I wish or want, and one or two things I actually need. One is subscribers. So click the subscribe button. Now let's get to that intro right now. Alright folks, as I said, I'm back. We're going to just go through my Christmas list here. Most of these are wants and they're not needs. I really don't need all this stuff. Some of them are wants that I could actually use, but... Oh, look, there goes that subscribe thing. Yeah. Number one need. Subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. Leave some feedback. Tell me what you want to hear about on here. I'm okay with negative feedback. Works for me. Any kind of feedback is good. Or and go right over here to discussion and slap in, stuff. And number two, this is a want. See, I am loath to leave a comment on a fellow reviewer or YouTuber's website with my link. But if you happen to go view Dave Lee or Tech Tablets, or these two you can skip. They've already helped me out way more than they've ever needed to. My Project 13, Red Skull, Ben's Gadget Reviews, or AB or ASBYT. Let them know they're on my list of reviewers I trust. There's a whole playlist on here. If you go to the home page here, let's just go to that real quick, and we're going to pause this crap so you don't have to listen to it. And right down here are 8 or 9 of them. Maybe you haven't seen them. Well, if they're listed over here under what I watch, they're reviewers I trust. I do have other people listed over here that, well, they sort of do and don't fit into the category. Mike Beard, good guy, provided me with 2 phones so far to unbox and play with. By the way, I still have that P20 knockoff if anyone has any clue how to get rid of that. Would be fantastic. Alright, now let's go through the want list. Wants. Besides, it'd be nice if Umadigi, Xiaomi, and Huawei would send me stuff. I'd review the crap out of it as long as it's a global edition on AT&T. I'd be happy to beat the tar out of it. But here's some wants, not necessarily needs. Right now I get by on my Zotac CI323, but the new, better CI329 would probably process my videos quite a bit quicker. And you know, it has all the usual ports and a couple of USBs right up front. Go to the back end. You got your HDMI and your display port and your VGA out and a 2.0 and two more USB 3.0 full-sizers and two Ethernet connections and your antenna and Bluetooth 5.0 and UHD Graphics 600. Who knows? Not that price, $169. You slap in an SSD, say 500 meg, and a couple of DDR4 RAM chips to get you up to 8 gig. Boom, you're in business. And that leads us on to the next thing. Yeah, one of these. Nice ViewSonic monitor, built-in speakers, just your basic 1920 1080 with a 75 refresh rate, 8837. I mean, seriously, folks. Well, actually, that's not the one I wanted. Well, that would do. I think there's one for a little higher. Or this one. Either one would do. And it has an audio cable, which tells me it has built-in speakers. Good stuff here. That is a want, not a need. But the cool part is, you know, right on the back. And you can get to the Visa mount and put a, there it is. Slap your Zotac on the back. Kaboom. Now this one only has DVI and VGA. It's old. It's actually more expensive than the other one, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Both of them have that and some speakers right down here. I believe those are speakers. Maybe not. I could be 100% out of line on those. But this one does have dual integrated speakers. Very cool. And at 89 bucks, it beats the hell out of what I'm using now. And I already have the cables. Having the extra audio cable. Bonus! Of course, what do you slap on the back of that? Of course, Zotac, because it comes with the Visa mount right there. And I've already talked about this in this video here. I'll link it in the description below. I've already updated the links to show the CI329 link, and there's that monitor that I was talking about earlier. Yeah, 99 bucks. Pretty good choice as the Visa mount at the ass end. Or it should have, if it would just show it. Yep, there it is. And whether it has, well, yeah, it includes the audio cable, which means it's going to have built-in speakers, which is fine, or I can keep using the speakers I have. Nonetheless, And this is a true wish. Because I could process a video on this in minutes instead of half hours. Because of the Intel Core i7, 8 gig of RAM, more than enough, 256 gig, more than enough. Get the job done. Fantastic display. I don't need a 4K display, 13.3 inches, took it to work every day, light, and it would work. And that's pretty much all I have for my Christmas wish list, except to say, oh wait, have you clicked on that damn subscribe button yet? You know, we got our channel. It's here. Well, this is my view of it, but trust me, there is a subscribe button. And you'd be amazed how much more I would appreciate that than any of the stuff I showed you above. So that's all I have for today. Subscribe, like, leave feedback. You'll be my friend for life. And share this thing everywhere. That's all I got. So we're just going to kill it there and say thanks for watching. Have a super Sunday. Watch some football. Enjoy your day.